Well, happy holidays, my friends. And thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. And as always, welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Okay, so you guys do not want me to do shorts. You just want me to do a short video. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, because in our newsletter, we talked about this centerpiece. Well, it's really a cake topper. Many of you are unable to find these. So what we talked about in the newsletter, and with so many people personally I spoke with, we're going to come up with an alternative. Okay, so I am ready. Are you? So you're going to need 4 things, my friend. Now it's going to be 5 depending on what style you want to go with. We're still running that 30% off sale. We just added on an extra day for you because you're going to need a brooch and you're going to need a bracelet as well. You're going to need an LED light, and it's going to have to be cream if you're going with gold. You definitely need this cake topper. This one is more of a plain one. It has that metal look on the bottom. I know it doesn't really have that dazzle look, but hey, if you get the things that I'm talking about, it's going to make your centerpiece stand out, and you can use it for any type of event. Your Christmas is going to be looking beautiful for your tablescape. Now here is the actual candle holder that we're going to use, and let's go off into the steps. Okay, so first we are going to take our LED light, place our bracelet on there, and then our brooch of our choice, and then we're going to snap it onto the bracelet. We're not going to take the pin off whatsoever. Hold on to your bracelet and actually your brooch as well. And then you're going to slide it onto the LED light and place the topper on top. Now this is what is so important. Check out the description box down below. You can spray paint the LED light, and I know you guys seen that. I'm going to show another clip right there for you all. You have the choice of doing it, but be cautious with the paint that you choose. Here are some more inspirational pictures if you are going to go with silver and white. Now if you cannot find those toppers whatsoever, hey, you can still go with this look. Silver or gold, whatever one you choose, my friend. I thank you so much for tuning in with me, everyone. Latisha McKinney, and Lord willing, I will see you all in the next one. Blessings.